Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best portable folding stool. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. SHANTRA Adjustable Work Platform with 330 pounds duty rating. Aluminum folding step ladder, heavy-duty portable bench ladder stool with non-slip feet, ideal for car washing, repairing, painting. Material, aluminum. Brand, SHANTRA. Product dimensions, 18.5-inch WX39H. Color, orange. Special feeder, E-durable, portable. Strong and durable construction. The platform step adopts heavy-duty aluminum material, ensuring long-lasting strength and durability. It protects floor from damage, safe on concrete, wood, asphalt, or bare ground. It has a large load-bearing capacity of 330 pounds. Portable and foldable design. Folding structure renders great convenience for both outdoor and indoor use, which is also perfect for narrow places. Its folding design ensures that it can be stowed away practically anywhere, making it easy to transport and hide. Non-slip surface and user-friendly. The large work platform, 39.37 inches by 18.5 inches, has a hollow and anti-skidding design to avoid accidents caused by slipping. Platform legs lock securely in place when in use. Besides, for anti-slip, rubber pads effectively offer a safer environment while working. The SHANTRA work platform exceeds the ANSI standard in OSHA. Sturdy safety lock. The work platform is specially designed with security locks for safety and stability. When the platform is unfolded, they will firmly interlock and ensure safe use. On the bottom, reinforced crosspieces and fixed strap also ensure a more stable structure. Suitable for multiple scenes. The work platform is not only great for washing vehicles but also ideal for painting the wall, cleaning windows, general maintenance work, etc. It can also help you access those just out of arm's reach items in the cupboard or used as a table for picnics. Number 2. Folding Work Platform Stool. Holds 330 pounds, 19.68-inch HX 29.52L platform step, lightweight and heavy-duty, black aluminum step stool, large standing surface, easily stored and anti-slip. Brand, Gravorel. Material, aluminum. Color, black. Special feature, foldable, lightweight, portable, slip-resistant step, weather-resistant. Room type, utility room. Large working space. Adjustable work platform measures 29.52 inches long by 11.81 inches wide. The textured top gives you room to move safely when standing, reaching, or handling tools. Reinforced hinges and non-slip rubber feet help you stay secure. Sturdy and reliable for every job. Black powder-coated aluminum with a reinforced frame. These folding step stools for adults will safely hold up to 330 pounds. Perfect for painting, changing light bulbs, home repairs, or weekend DIYs. A great platform ladder for all purposes. Folds for easy storage. When the job's finished, just fold your aluminum work platform down to 5.5 inches high and tuck it away. Easy to store in a closet, trunk, or garage. The best foldable workbench on the market. Lightweight but heavy-duty, weighing only 7.49 pounds, the Gravorel platform is light enough to carry with one hand, move it room to room, or toss it in your car for the next project. A heavy-duty step stool that you can actually easily carry around. Number 3. Folding step stool for adults. Aluminum work platform, adjustable height, lightweight and durable portable outdoor aluminum step stool, maximum load capacity of 440 pounds. Brand, Loyota. Material, aluminum. Special feature, adjustable height, foldable, lightweight. Age range, description, adult. Safety step stool, made of sturdy aluminum that won't rust in wind or rain. The step stool from Loyota is a safe and reliable companion that can hold up to 440 pounds. Foldable, the step stool can be easily folded with just one click, making it simple to operate and convenient to store. It takes up minimal space and can be placed in the car's trunk or tucked away in a corner of the house. Height adjustable, this step stool offers 3 height adjustments, ranging from 11.96 foot to 15.69. The 4 legs can be independently adjusted, providing high adaptability. Versatile usability, the step stool can be used indoors to reach high objects, outdoors as a seating stool, and also functions as a ladder for tasks such as car washing or painting houses, and more. Tool-free assembly, no tools needed to assemble. Tool-free design is accessible for all users of any skill level. Number 4. Prime 1 Safety RV Steps Extra Large Platform. 19 inches x 14.5 inches extra size RV folding step stool and ladder, 600 pounds, height adjustable, aluminium with reflective stripe, anti-slip surface and extra grip. Product dimensions, 19.09 inch dx 14.76 wx 3.94h. Material, aluminum. Special feature, adjustable height, foldable, slip. Room type, vehicle. Stable and safe, maximum load 600 pounds sturdy construction, bottom reinforced with non-slip grips. Extra large size, 19-inch length x 14.5 width. Large enough to turn around on with stability if you need. Adjustable height scale adjustable from 7 5/8 inch to 9 inch, 4 positions height for uneven ground. Clever design, easy fold away and lock design, convenient for both storage and carrying. It has grip tape on the top and reflective tape on the sides plus a handle you can use to carry it. Widely used, this adjustable height step stools is highly recommended for a vehicle, RV, travel trailer, high SUV, van, also can be in uneven ground such as desert, beach, boat. Number 5. Aluminum Work Platform. Large size step stool folding portable workbench with non-slip mat capacity 660 pounds heavy duty. Material, aluminum. Brand, Lettleway. Product dimensions, 51-inch WX 19.5H. Special feature, anti-slip, foldable, heavy duty. Safety latch design, our ladder adopts high-quality steel material and color buckle. Multi-rivet fixed, when the car wash platform is unfolded, the lock is firmly fastened, and it is safer to use. Sturdy structure, quick folding design, our ladder adopts high-strength aluminum alloy structure to ensure safety. 660 pounds of heavy load, saving space during folding. Provides skid resistance, protects floors from damage and is safe on concrete, wood, asphalt or bare ground. Anti-slip surface and skid-resistant feet, made of high-quality steel, with concave and convex edges and anti-slip patterns, with novel design to prevent slipping. The diagonal brace is stable and not easy to break. Ladder bar design, anti-slip, rainy days use safety. Super practical, this step ladder is brand new and high quality. It makes heavy-duty tasks much easier. It is ideal for many occasions like washing vehicles, cleaning windows, decorating. It is also very convenient to carry when you go camping. Professional aftersales, the step platform ladder is easy to assemble and no additional tools required. Buy our step platform ladder without risk, we promise an excellent customer experience. Please feel free to contact us if any issue arises. Number 6. Adjustable step stool for adults. Toddler step stools, 600 pounds capacity non-slip safety step platform for elderly and kids, portable stair assist for cars, bedside, kitchen, and shower. Product dimensions 16.7 inch DX 12.79 WX 4.1H. Brand, Tingy. Material, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, plastic, polypropylene, PP. Color, black gray. Special feature adjustable height, lightweight, non-skid feet, portable, slip-resistant step. Safety first, this adjustable step stool constructed with premium ABS plastic for superior durability and drop resistance. Features an upgraded 5-leg whitened base design that supports up to 600 pounds, ensuring reliable stability for safety use. 3-setting height adjustable, 1-step stool dejin with adjustable base from 3.7 inch to 5.9, accommodates seniors, children and pregnants in versatile indoor-outdoor use. Bathroom safety, bedside assistance, car entry/exit, or outdoor step support. Dual anti-slip system, the surface of stepping stool is covered with a wave-textured mat enhances grip and barefoot comfort, non-slip pads on all base bottom ensure stability. Reinforced safety design prevents slips during indoor or outdoor use. Ultra-portable design, our mobility footstool is lightweight at 3.5 pounds, effortlessly lifted with 2 fingers. The overall dimension is 16.3 inches by 12.4 inches by 3.7 inches, slim profile fits in cars, corners, or other tight spaces for instant access anywhere. Multi-scenario essential, heavy-duty stackable step stool functions as a mobility aid for the elderly, toddlers, pregnant women or other limited mobility people, outdoor doorway platform, car entry/exit assist, and secure bed/bath access. Supports cabinet reaching, stair navigation, and bathroom stability with 600 pounds capacity. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.